Hey everyone, so probably every week, maybe every day, there's a new dating app. Like you can see all of that. Of course, there's like Tinder, Badoo, but recently there was like a hype around Thursday app, and any day practically there is a new dating app. But there aren't that many apps which actually can help you to improve and give more sense to existing relationships. So Love Nudge is one of those apps where you can better understand yourself and better understand your relationship. So the idea is super simple that you just answer 30 questions, basically super simple questions, but it helps you to define what is more important in your relationship. Is it more like intimacy? Is it more like language of support? And there are like different love categories in this app, and you just keep track on top of that. And you can invite your partner to this app, and you can do it all this stuff together. And also you can set up like goals, you can communicate, and you can see how it's called in this app, love tank, if your relationship is progressing or not. And it's super fun. So if you want to improve your relationship, definitely check out this app, and let's dive into a quick overview. So let's try to create an account. So it asks me for email. There you go. Then I just need to enter my password and agree to terms and conditions. Need to enter my birthday, my gender, and then sign up. So there you have it. So the idea of this app is you need to take this quiz, and then you need to invite your partner to take this quiz as well. So guys, I won't be going through all the questions. I just show you, I will be going, but I won't be like replying to them meaningfully. Just show it to you here. So you have all this like questions and all of that. And you just need to answer them because they will highlight different kind of like kind of your love language. And there you have it. And then you will see your like love nudge. So it means you will see that like 30% is like words of affirmation, 27% quality time, 17% receiving gifts, acts of service, physical touch. Okay, let's and then the idea is that to enter your partner here, and then you will need to invite your partner. Just basically you can just share, and then you can also view your partner's quiz results, track your partner's love tank, exchange nudges, just goals, share statistics. So and then you can create these goals. So goals are activities you can do for your partner to fill your partner's love tank. Here's an example. Say I love you. I love you. And then tap to undo, and then you can just create your goals. And then here's your load tank. So it's just it updates and it recognizes how do load feel today, and you can see your statistics and share it with your partner as well. And then here is the settings. You can see you and your partner. There is also like community. You can share the app. And then you can connect with your partner, and I think you can like message here. So that's pretty cool. And then there are also these announcements. Oops, seems it's then you have your profile, and you can also reorder here like your low language profile. So super cool app, actually, just to play around with it and with your partner, like to work on your relationship, to make it more meaningful, just to find some like maybe difficult areas of it. So instead of just like talking, you can make it in a more fun way with this Love Nudge app. So it's more like a couple therapy app, and it seems pretty fun. And then you can just update your load tank, you can save, and you can see your calendar, how do you feel, and all of that. So super cool app just to try it out, and add your partner and build some more meaningful relationships. Let me check what are the subscription options here. So can you upgrade, or is it? So if you want to delete account, you can just do it from here. There are also some like hints. So is this app actually for free completely? So it says Love Nudge relies on a consistent internet connection. If you're not connected, Love Nudge will not perform. But yeah, seems it's like just completely free app. You can always take the quiz again here. And you can also create your goals. For example, get coffee together, and it's then you select category, and then you select this icon, how often, and then you can set up reminders every Tuesday. And then you can just create these goals, which can just improve your relationship. So that's another cool feature around this app. And then, yeah, if you think you took the quiz in the wrong way, you can always retake quiz. So that's basically it. So that's just super quick overview of the app. It's growing in the all App Store charts. It's super entertaining app. So definitely try it out if you're in the relationship. Also, maybe if you're single, just try it out for yourself to see the stats, like to see what's important for your future relationship, for example. And that's about it. So please like this video if you enjoyed this quick overview. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel. You should definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about apps which will make your life happier and easier. and visit my website mrhack.io to discover more cool apps. So thanks for watching, guys.